Okay, so we are doing 9.3 problem 4, which is use the integral test to determine the convergence of the given series. So this isn't too hard. We have infinity, we have sigma, n equals 1. And then what is it here? It's 1 over n to the 4th. Okay, so to use integral test, we're going to have to take the integral of this, which shouldn't be too hard. So we have infinity to 1, and I'll zoom in so we can see all this at the end. And let's make this easier. Let's turn this x, and let's bring it up here. So let's do x minus 4. And so this is a proper integral, and we're finding the convergence, so we have to do the limit here anyway. So let's just change this to have it lim as t approaches infinity. And we can change this to t over 1 and then x minus 4. So we're going to do the integral of this. So over 3, let's write it here. So we have lim t approaches infinity. It has to be, so 3 over -3. This turns to 3. Okay, so we have x, the -3 over 3. This is minus 3. That's what it is. We can simplify this a little bit. So let's just have this. We'll bring this x down, and this will be positive. So we have negative. Just -1 over 3x to the 3rd. So that makes it a little simple. And we're still doing the two bounds here. We have t and we have 1. So we're going to do the top minus the bottom. So we have -1 over 3t cubed minus the negative. So that's just going to turn to plus. Minus the -1. So we have 1 over 3 to the 1 to the 3rd is just 1 over 3. So, and then this is all still as approaches infinity. Lim t approaches infinity. So if we look at this bottom part here, this t as it gets bigger and bigger, it's going to turn to infinity. So 1 over infinity is just 0. Approaches infinity plus 1/3. So this is just going to be 1/3. And it's positive 1/3. And it's also a finite number, so this series converges at that point. So let me. So we've got the original here. We simplified it a little bit to bring it to the top. It was improper, so we turned it to this right here. We took the integral and we kind of simplified it to -1 over 3x to the 3rd, and we found the t and the 1 bounds. Top minus the bottom, and as this one approaches infinity, it turns to 0 because it just approaches infinity. The denominator approaches infinity, and it's 1/3. So that means it converges.